Hey everyone, it's the professor here, and it's Friday. It is Veterans Day in the United States, so many trading platforms are closed today, so expect the volume to be much less. Okay, let's get into the chart. We are still working off the exact same zone from yesterday. It is 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. We've seen this rejection again in this point. I'm going to go ahead and close that up. I'm going to mark this Fibonacci from this high to this low, and you can see we came right into that sweet spot again between the 88 and the 61.8. Now again, volume should be a little bit less today because of the United States holiday. Now again, nothing has changed from yesterday. We probably will see possibly price maybe come back down somewhat towards this area. So this is going to be a level of support and resistance that has been created on the 15-minute chart. So that would be level 1, and level 2, if we continue lower, would be here, and then level 3 would be at the bottom. So these are your trading levels. To the top side, this would be your top level, okay? And just like we talked about yesterday, if we get price, let me go ahead and get rid of this right here. If we get price to close above this area up in here, and I'm going to make this candle green, okay, if and when we get price to close there, then we want to look for price to come back towards this zone, and then we take it back up. Until then, right, crude oil is still bearish. If we take off the charts here and we go over to the weekly, take a look at this weekly chart right here, okay, we are sitting right here on this strong bearish weekly candle. So do we want to try to trade up against this strong bearish candle? Probably not. So any pullback back up into the area as it's happening now was a sell opportunity. So going back to the 15-minute chart, and let me go ahead and bring up the chart again. Again, we probably don't want to go against that trend too much. So again, any pullback up in this area, okay, then I would look for another sell opportunity back in this area, back down. Okay, that would definitely be a sell area unless you get this candle to close right up here, okay, then that, you know, would be your exit to get out of that particular trade. So it would look something like this. If price does come back up to take out this wick, then maybe something like this would be a nice opportunity to come back down to the zero. But again, we are already rejecting this area here. But if price does come back up into this area and you want to take maybe a scalp type of trade, then you might be able to see something like this in this area come back up. Okay, so these are our scenarios for today, Friday. It's a holiday. Don't get caught in a trade, and happy trading.